ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഓഡിറ്റിങ്ങിൻ്റെ MCQs ആണ്. The first question is, an auditor is like a options, bloodhound, watchdog, may both according to situation, none of this. And the answer is watchdog. Second question, the term audit is derived from a Latin word audire, which means to inspect, to examine, to hear, to investigate. And the answer is to hear. Third question, process of verifying the documentary evidences of transactions are known as options auditing, testing, vouching, verification. And the answer is vouching. Fourth question, auditing is compulsory for options small scale business, partnership firms, joint stock companies, proprietary concern. And the answer is joint stock companies. Fifth question, the main object of an audit is options expression of expert opinion, detection and prevention of fraud and error, both A and B, depends on type of audit. And the answer is depends on type of audit. Sixth question, concealment of shortage by delaying the recording of cash receipt is known as options embezzlement, misappropriation, lapping, none of this. And the answer is lapping. Seventh question, the title of AAS2 issued by Council of ICAI is options objective and scope of financial statements, objective and scope of audit of financial statements, objective and scope of business of an entity, objective and scope of financial statements audit. And the answer is objective and scope of the audit of financial statements. Eighth question, lapping is also known as options teaming and lading, embezzlement, looping, hacking. And the answer is teaming and lading. Ninth question, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India was established in options 1956, 1949, 1946, 1948. And the answer is 1949. Moving on to the 10th question, the sale of rupees 25,000 to A was entered as a sale to B. This is an example of options error of omission, error of commission, compensating error, error of principal. And the answer is error of commission. 11th question, goods sent on approval basis have been recorded as credit sale. This is an example of option error of principal, error of commission, error of omission, error of duplication. And the answer is error of principal. 12th question, which of the following statement is not true? Options, management fraud is more difficult to detect than employee fraud. Second one, internal control system reduces the possibility of occurrence of employee fraud and management fraud. Third one, the auditor's responsibility for detection and prevention of errors and fraud is similar. All statements are correct. And the answer is internal control system reduces the possibility of occurrence of employee fraud and management fraud. 13th question, as per AAS 4, if auditor detects an error, then options he should inform the management, he should communicate it to the management if it is material, the auditor should ensure financial statements are adjusted for detected errors, both B and C. And the answer is both B and C. That is, he should communicate it to the management if it is material, and also he should ensure the financial statements are adjusted for the detected errors. Moving on to the 14th question, which of the following is not a limitation of audit as per AAS 4? The options objectivity of auditor's judgment, selective testing, persuasiveness of evidence, limitations of internal control system. And the answer is objectivity of auditor's judgment. 15th question. Internal audit is undertaken. Options: by independent auditor, statutorily appointed auditor, by a person appointed by the management, by a government auditor. And the answer is by a person appointed by the management. 16th question. The scope of internal audit is decided by the options: shareholders, government, management, law. And the answer is government. 17th question. Audit of bank is an example of options: statutory audit, balance sheet audit, concurrent audit, all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. 18th question. Concurrent audit is a part of options: internal check system, continuous audit, internal audit system, none of these. And the answer is internal audit system. 19th question. In India, balance sheet audit is synonymous to options: annual audit, continuous audit, detailed audit, statutory audit. And the answer is annual audit. Moving on to the 20th question. Audit in depth is synonymous for options: complete audit, final audit, completed audit, and detailed audit. And the answer is detailed audit. Thank you.